Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on creating new users. To begin, select the Add New Employee button to begin adding your staff. Firstly, specify the staff name. You can create a 2 to 6 digit number that they will use to log onto the EPOS system. You can also optionally enter their mobile number. If you wish the member of staff to have access to full permissions, you can click the Supervisor button. Alternatively, you can keep the other staff option selected. The Access POS section will allow you to specify the permissions that each member of staff will have access to within the EPOS system itself. Here you can select the relevant checkboxes. The Access Permissions section will allow you to specify which apps that they will be able to log into. The Access Management section will allow you to specify if you wish to have the user their own access to the admin panel. Finally, you can also allow the member of staff to be authorised to speak to Grafterr technical support. Once you've entered all of the relevant details, simply press Submit to return to the staff management screen. Thanks for watching.